If it's a question of my heart, you got it. It don't belong to anyone but you. Yeah, if it's a question of my love, you got it. Baby, don't worry, I got plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Oh, Lord, baby, I've been making plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Oh, Lord, baby, I've been making plans for you.
YouTube, what's good YouTube? This is a boy Blaze and that's good. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Guys, it's been a minute. It's now open my vlogs, you know what I'm saying? And today we finna try something new, you know what I'm saying? And I don't know, man, something new. So what's happening today is I finna go on a date with a bride, you know what I'm saying? And I wanna try to shoot my shot. So you guys go with me. I don't know, man, if I'm doing the right thing. Tell me down in the comment section, you know what I'm saying? And you know, my ex used to say, please, don't take me out, please, that is so baby, don't go to chance of Skylar, you know what I'm saying? I don't know. So anyways, guys, please, if it's your first time, please make sure you like, comment, share, and subscribe to my channel for more Mokoni and I'm saying. So today we out here a Tong Fu, I don't know. But yeah, what I know is a Chinese restaurant, you know what I'm saying? And I want to see what's happening, what's going on. So make sure you stay tuned, like, comment, share, and subscribe. Let's get it.
It's a question of my heart. You got it. It don't belong to anyone but you. Yeah, if it's a question of my love, you got it. Baby, don't worry, I got plans for you. Yeah.
你好，姓张。
你没看到我来？
香香香。Yes, guys. Yes, guys, as you can see, I'm looking at the camera.
Yeah, bro.
Kwa isi mbwele, chaji kiswe mbwa hapa napo. Yes, guys. Ai, because eh.
Make sure Mr. does not photos.
I'm moving my photos. I will talk about it later. I'm moving music on Chica. I apple. Eh.
From video my photos, your view is supposed to be starting from 6th standard.
From G?
6th standard.
Kana my photos. Also, my photos no bad. Eh.
Your view.
Oh, view ready should be 6th and above. It's not very use. It's not very G.
Can you talk about it?
She's a getting. She's a getting. Go watching YouTube Makoni creators and we doing YouTube, we doing this review. Oh, those are basic. What happened exactly?
Those are especially the steps.
Wrong one.
But
Outside YouTube, what's up, guys? I want to try. I don't get to try. I don't get to try. Oh, straight.
It's a question of my heart. You got it. It don't belong to anyone but you. Yeah, if it's a question of my love, you got it. Baby, don't worry, I got plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Oh, Lord, baby, I've been making plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Oh, Lord, baby, I've been making plans for you. If it's a question of my heart, you got it. It don't belong to anyone but you. Yeah, if it's a question of my love, you got it. Baby, don't worry, I got plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Baby, I've been making plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Oh, Lord. Baby, I've been making plans for you.
Guys, the main thing I want to see is you know what's happening. So go now pictures which come. Tell me. I think those are the things to do.
Yeah, I'm going to do it.
Go now pictures. Like when you go on your knee. Yeah. I think now is going to show managers. Ele mandou como uma mulher. For starters, I saw Manu Jaira, and then Takawana Subira, and maybe Mas Pais, or Nene to change a restaurant, whatever else for Jaira. So, you know, don't listen to this. So, ladies first.
Thank you.
Yes. Alison, we out here at Chong Fu restaurant, Chinese restaurant. It's located in Puno.
Let me
see. So, I know Chinese. Pana hapo mazika, but it's weird because wakati wale nishi. Okay. Kuna wale nishi wono. Oh. I feel like wakunyora ni Chinese and nishi mwambie kwezi. Guys, when you get to kuita 500 nyana. Pay vano 4 mu Zimbabwe. It's crazy. Ngoma Chinese wine.
But here we are, city through and when it went to the power, and I love this is your booty. One day I'll buy a ring, and I'll ask you to marry me. I'm counting the days until I see.
So guys, we're waiting for drinks. This is camera. Hey, this is my personal camera, man. Any channel you know, Dario KT. Yeah, this is the man behind the camera filming. Hey guys, kai got a bomba, cutting a grenade. No, put it Sarah Mavin. Press it for you, Chinese we don't trust them like for you. Maybe sauce, I don't know. Yo, smells like Tabasco. But I'm for so clean, I'm you know, get it. So you say that professional. Was what? Charago. At far to Badara. Guys, but I ordered and see. I'm gonna give you iced tea. I don't think about when she's nice room to my cute glasses and stuff. Maybe they wanna give us some glasses with some eyes, Nyana. I don't know. I don't know. Mom fungo kurugaji. Mimi zvakaita nika umbrella kanenga re. Maybe this is ngaziye chirungu. I don't know. Let's wait and see. What is this? It's Chinese. So guys, it's Chinese. We can't even read. Charge this kwa mbo pana vanyoda za singaziye. Wakunyepa. Wakunyepa. wakunyepa
internet ndo yakanyepera
wakunyepa kunyepa kuti munhu akanaka mazukutiro une mazukutiro uyu ndiye munhu angari pamazukutiro ndiongori pavideo remazukutiro ka yes man yeah it's like song achinakaimbirwa ivo
like ndakana tutanga kuinzona ngoti song aiupekaimbirwa but aina nemunhu wakatoimbirwa but anyways kana vanhu vachingoimba nenge vachingoreva news yavo
zvangofanana because ndione ndi mazukutiro
because ndine masukutiro asina muna muna ndi masukutiro muzimbabwe
kunze kwako
kunze kwangu na kilati
zamufara kurora na kilati
kilati ane mukadzi aticheki
apa mune madhimbo wani na kilati ndese
tese tikaremara
kuremara urema
pepe ndambobudza kuti chii chinokonzeresa madhimbo
watichi
anchezianosutataurai
taura vanhu tata kuti miss dhimbo zimbabwe
dhimbo renyika
dhimbo renyika dhimbos veed zukutiro was for ed anyways guys we waiting for our food I don't even know kuti chikapi chacho chikuya amen zvi zvatapiwa izvi wakutofa nenzara zvavachafendesa miss dhimbo they should not do that getimboona kuti miss dhimbo anodya sei hanzi kana ndakuona kushata kwemukadzi mutengere nzimbe kana kumumenyesa nzimbe
indomenyeni
unomenya sei anyways guys rikatibire tinozvinopera sei peace out. So guys the food is here as you can see but msikana hatina kumbodia awe asina mari kubhadhara miro angaifoko pamwe ari kuenda kukwaya
zviriko
inongondandadza
ungotesta
We're gonna eat together. Sharing, caring men.
It is a question of my heart. You got it. It don't belong to anyone but you. Yeah, it's a question of my love. You got it, baby, don't worry, I got plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Oh Lord, baby, I've been making plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Oh Lord, baby, I've been making plans for you.
Matingi my channels now touting it Sukungwa brothers. But anyways, yeah man. How do I even eat?
ndisinoziva mutombo chakumbata nemaoko ndikuziva
Awa kumba ndokambura.
It's a question of my heart. You got it. It don't belong to anyone but you. Yeah, it's a question of my love. You got it. Baby, don't worry, I got plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Oh Lord, baby, I've been making plans for you. Yeah, baby, I've been making plans. Oh Lord, baby, I've been making plans for you.
Kanoshanda sei kwanga. You take a cooking oil with a paprika. My cherries are not jungle. Coach, no cheese. Vinegar, please. So as you can see, kapeza kuchika and matazopedza kuchika. But don't question Zara. So we're about to leave. Though we're disappointed never to decide. I've drinking now related to Panza iced tea. I forgot maybe ice karuka kare tea kare tumasinsi but it is what it is. So guys, we're about to leave. It is a station.
Batanza ndrimutazi zimwe nguva ndombokanganisa mwari shungu dzangu nebuduro yangu nematisanganisa ndomboshinga zimwe nguva ndombopingwa ndine mazano obari muchipfuva dai zvaibvira yachikwana nguva kuzama ndiri kuzama asi yareba nguva mwari pindirai mukubata umu mwari pindirai mukushanda umu mwari pindirai mukufamba umu mwari pindirai imo mukutamba umu ndine mazano obari muchipfuva kushanda tinoshanda asi azvikwani shuwa kutsvaga tinotsvaga asi azvikwani pindai mumwoyo pindai muchipfuva tese tiri kuvavarira tiri kushingirira mwari ndiri kuzama ndiri kubatanza ndiri mutadzi zimwe nguva ndombokanganisa mwari shungu dzangu nebuduro yangu dai matisanganisa.
So guys, a gentleman. Oh, look. Okay. Alright. A gentleman.
Thank you.
Yes. Okay. So guys, we done eating here. So I don't know, man. Maybe I should try to shoot my shot. I don't know, man. I don't know how it's gonna work. You understand? So let me try to shoot my shot and see if we can. I don't know, man. Let's get it.
Atifaniro chera izvo gara munamo atifaniro chera izvo tagore sina chagangu atifaniro chera izvo gara nsina dola atifaniro chera izvo kungoti ndozvazviri mwari pindirai mukubata umu mwari pindirai mukushanda umu mwari pindirai mukufamba umu mwari pindirai imo mukutamba umu.
So guys, as you can see, Tashika Tamarain, also drop CJ Aksarapadin. And yeah, you know, CJ, how was your dinner?
Yeah, how was snack?
Sounded fine.
It was fine.
So, I don't know, man. I was wondering, I don't know, man. Small chat, please tell me. But I think you're my type. Maybe you can make your friend and stuff. I don't know. What do you think?
Apana chekufunga paina step yangu nanakiro. Thank you nichikafu. Bana ndo manakiro ni. Ndani ni step yako.
Again pure type.
Aumbo fokukwanisa. Aumbo fokukwanisa kuti takilensa mazviti. Hakuna zvakadaro.
Bana
ukuchema aish chimbotora juice rako unogona kutozondifungira kuti pamwe all things some people guys
bro anombozoti vasikana madei pano
kuzona makuchema mdara bo chemezwa namskana
pano kumawani pano
chemezwa neshimo.
I know you can't relate in Fanong, but I tried to in Fanong. Yes, chat. Yo, I don't even know, man. I think I tried my best, and you know, the girl, she says she don't like me. I'm not too dark in this. I don't know, maybe I should go and dye myself to be playing. I don't know. Did I say? But chat, I think I tried my best. I think I did whatever that I can do. I think everyone is happy. I know you are happy with Anarambo. My friends, my ex-girlfriend is happy. Everyone is happy. Anyways, guys. do what you're doing best, and I'm gonna keep on doing what I'm doing best.
Mariangu. Bro.
Anyways, guys, thank you for watching the video today. And please make sure you like, comment, and share, and do subscribe. Okay,